If you want to maintain your vitality and well-being and old age, it is essential to pay attention to some daily habits that can impact your health. Small choices can directly influence your energy, emotional balance, and even your longevity. In addition, accumulated factors throughout life, such as stress, inadequate diet, and lack of purpose, play a fundamental role in quality of life in maturity. In this video, you will learn about 8 essential factors that directly affect longevity. Each of them provides important information to understand how simple changes can make a difference in your health and well-being. Stay until the end and see how to transform your routine to live longer and better before continuing. Check if you are already subscribed to the channel to receive more content about health and quality of life. If you find this topic relevant, leave your like and share your opinion in the comments. Write 1 if the information was useful for you, or 0 if you have any suggestions. Your participation helps us create content that better meets your needs. The first factor that deserves attention is the impact of emotions on the body and mind. Grudges, resentment, and isolation do not only affect emotional state, but can also compromise the immune system and heart health. These accumulated emotions over time can increase the risk of diseases and accelerate the aging process. Social isolation, especially in old age, can be quite harmful. Many people end up distancing themselves from friends and family, which reduces the motivation to take care of their health. Studies show that chronic loneliness can be as harmful as unhealthy habits, contributing to physical and mental decline. On the other hand, cultivating friendships and resolving past conflicts can bring numerous benefits. Moments of joy and good conversations generate well-being and strengthen emotional balance. Taking care of mental health is as important as taking care of the body, as it improves mood, strengthens the immune system, and increases the willingness to enjoy life. Renew your life and strengthen your relationships with the digital book. Rediscovering intimacy, well-being, and connection in maturity. Discover practical strategies to maintain healthy relationships and overcome challenges with simple changes in daily life. Check out the link in the first pinned comment and transform your quality of life with accessible and effective actions. The second essential factor for longevity is the importance of physical activity. A body that spends years without movement loses strength, endurance, and mobility, paving the way for problems such as hypertension, diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases. In addition, a sedentary lifestyle affects mental well-being, potentially contributing to anxiety and depression, creating a negative cycle of demotivation. The idea that there is no more age for exercising is a harmful myth. Small movements such as light walks or stretching are enough to improve circulation, strengthen muscles and bones, and stimulate the release of endorphins, known as well-being hormones. These substances help maintain emotional balance and increase daily disposition. Another fundamental point is fall prevention, a common and dangerous problem in old age. An active and strong body has better responses to avoid accidents. Incorporating movement into the routine not only keeps the body healthy, but also brings more energy, self-confidence, and quality of life. The third factor that influences longevity is inadequate nutrition, a problem that often only becomes evident when damage has already occurred. Diets rich in ultra-processed foods, refined sugars, and saturated fats compromise the immune system, overload vital organs, and increase the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart problems in maturity. These accumulated dietary choices through life can have severe consequences. Reducing energy and the body's recovery capacity with aging appetite commonly decreases, but the quality of food must not be neglected. The lack of essential nutrients, such as vitamins, proteins, and minerals, weakens bones and muscles, directly affecting memory and mood. Simple changes, such as increasing the consumption of fruits, Vegetables, whole grains, and healthy proteins can transform health and increase longevity. Reducing salt and sugar intake and prioritizing homemade meals bring cumulative benefits. Having a balanced diet is essential to ensure that the body receives the necessary nutrients for healthy aging. The fourth factor that directly influences longevity is the lack of purpose in life, especially after retirement or significant changes in the social circle, when responsibilities that once gave meaning to daily life diminish. Many people face an emotional void that can be harmful. The feeling of uselessness impacts not only mental well-being but also physical health, increasing the risks of depression, cardiovascular diseases, and even cognitive problems. The loss of purpose can be aggravated by social isolation sense. Over time, friends pass away, children move on with their lives, and a routine without meaningful activities can intensify loneliness. This reduces the motivation to take care of oneself and can lead to a gradual decline in quality of life. Finding new activities, hobbies, and ways to contribute to society can restore a sense of purpose and bring more joy and motivation to daily life. Staying active mentally and socially makes all the difference for healthy and balanced aging. On the other hand, rediscovering interests and exploring new ways to feel engaged can positively impact well-being. Participating in volunteer activities, dedicating time to old hobbies, or spending more time with grandchildren are ways to regain a sense of purpose in life. Even small goals like learning something new or helping others can renew the spirit and bring enthusiasm. A renewed sense of purpose not only strengthens the mind, but also revitalizes the body, creating a solid foundation for living with more quality. The fifth factor influencing longevity is sleep. Quality, an essential element for the regeneration of the body and mind. As people age, many experience fragmented nights or shorter sleep periods, believing this is a natural part of aging. However, sleep plays a crucial role in maintaining physical and mental balance. Poor sleep can accelerate aging and increase the risk of serious illnesses like cognitive decline, hypertension, and cardiovascular issues. Lack of rest also disrupts hormones responsible for appetite and metabolism, potentially leading to weight gain and a higher risk of diabetes. Additionally, insufficient sleep can affect memory, concentration, and stress levels, creating a cycle that negatively impacts overall health. Establishing a consistent sleep and wake routine is a crucial step toward improving sleep quality. Avoiding stimulants like caffeine before bed, maintaining a calm and dark sleep environment, and engaging in relaxing activities such as reading or meditation can help the body prepare for rest. Restorative sleep is not just a break. It's a foundation for maintaining energy, vitality, and well-being. At any age, the sixth factor directly affecting longevity is the lack of mental stimulation. When intellectual activities and challenges are abandoned, the brain starts to lose plasticity, making it more vulnerable to cognitive decline, much like an unused muscle. The brain benefits from consistent engagement and new learning experiences. Many older adults settle into monotonous routines, believing that rest is enough. However, a lack of challenges can impact essential functions like memory and attention. Social interactions also play a key role, as engaging conversations and activities help keep the mind sharp. Adopting habits that challenge the brain can provide significant benefits. Learning a new language, solving puzzles, or engaging in strategic games are excellent ways to keep the mind active. Reading books, participating in discussion groups, and maintaining curiosity about the world contribute to mental agility. Investing in intellectual activities not only supports cognitive function, but also fosters enthusiasm for life and overall engagement. The seventh factor that can negatively impact health and longevity is an imbalance in personal habits. While relaxation and leisure activities are important, excessive screen time, lack of social engagement, or neglecting physical health can affect overall well-being. Maintaining a balanced approach to daily routines is essential for sustained health and happiness. Developing a healthy lifestyle includes engaging in regular physical activity, dedicating time to meaningful hobbies, and maintaining social connections. Finding ways to manage stress, build positive habits, and seek emotional support when needed contributes to a more fulfilling and energized life. The eighth factor, influencing longevity, relates to the cumulative impact of stress on the body and mind throughout life. Persistent stress activates the body's alert system, releasing hormones like cortisol at high and prolonged levels. Stress can negatively impact heart health, weaken the immune system, and accelerate. Aging chronic stress can contribute to conditions such as hypertension, insomnia, and chronic pain, while also affecting mental well-being over time. This overload compromises quality of life and increases the risk of severe health issues. Incorporating stress management techniques can help break this cycle. Relaxation methods such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and mindfulness can help calm the mind and regulate hormones. Additionally, enjoyable activities like gardening, listening to music, or spending time with loved ones create opportunities for relaxation and rejuvenation. Balancing rest and leisure is a valuable tool for preserving health and increasing vitality over the years. With everything discussed in this video, it's clear that prioritizing emotional, physical, and mental well-being in later years is essential for a longer and healthier life, from making mindful dietary choices to staying active and socially connected. Each topic covered offers practical ways to enhance daily life. Among the topics discussed, which one resonated the most with you? Have you implemented any of these practices, or do you know someone who has benefited from them? If you found this content helpful, leave a like. Your support not only motivates us to continue sharing valuable information, but also helps this video reach others who may benefit. Be sure to check out our other videos on improving health and longevity. Taking even one small step can make a meaningful difference if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet. Take this opportunity to subscribe now for more content that can positively impact your life. Take care of yourself and continue exploring ways to live with energy and fulfillment. See you in the next video.